Discipline plus focus plus action equals success.
Alright y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are preparing a breakfast meal that you can make ahead of time so that you don't have to cook every day. And here y'all just see me buttering the pan, and I'm using Earth Balance dairy-free butter to just butter the pan. Let me know what kind of butters y'all use, because I do want to find a more healthier butter substitute, but I don't want to include no dairy in it. So put down in the comments what kind of butter products y'all use or what y'all think is best. So here, of course, we just drinking our water because we need water out here. So these are just the seasonings I'm using for my eggs: a little brown butter, roasted garlic, some turmeric, some smoked paprika, garlic, salt, black pepper, the works. So now we just gonna crack our eggs. Don't mind me because I did mess the egg up, but we just gonna crack our eggs, get our eggs nice and scrambled, and then we gonna start the process. Alright, so now we got our eggs nice and scrambled. I didn't scramble them till they are fully cooked because we're going to put them back in the oven. And now we're working on getting our sausages nice and scrambled. You can use bacon, whatever meat product you want to use, that's completely fine. And here I just went with the Kroger's brand biscuits. I got the butter biscuits. And now I'm just going to assemble the biscuit sandwich. And I'm going to also be using some Violife mozzarella cheese. I don't know how I feel about it because it still be messing our stomach up. So let me know what vegan cheese y'all use. If you're vegan, let me know. And now that we got all of our biscuits assembled, we're going to put them in the oven and bake them for about 13 minutes. Not too cooked because, of course, they are going to need to be reheated. So don't fully cook them. But as you can see here, I did get the bottoms nice and brown, and the kids love them. Let me see the inside. Hold on.
That's good. This just made my day.
All right, so now that we've got breakfast out the way, it's time to start on dinner. And as y'all know, if you make dinner from scratch, you got to either prepare it a day ahead or the day before. So let's get into cutting these greens, making these greens. The only thing that I had the kids help me with is the greens because I want them to start cooking more. And they cook all the time now, but I want them to properly learn how to cook from scratch. So here we just making greens. Bring the knife back a little bit more. Back.
Oh, okay.
And then press down and slice through.
Nice, London.
Press all the way down. Press hard, slice through. There you go. Okay.
I want to slide them off.
Good job. This is mincing.
Oh, mincing by cutting
it?
Why can't we mince again?
Because your fingers
are really big.
I don't trust your fingers.
My fingers are fine.
So that's fine.
We would trust my fingers if I was a grown up.
When y'all get older. Alright, now look.
You didn't tell us. I can do that
Now, to mince you need a bigger knife. So this is the only knife that we have. So,
Mommy, why does it look like...
Alright, so you want the onions to brown.
to turn brown.
Before you
Why?
put anything in the pot, it's cooking the flavor. It's adding flavor.
Mm,
Alright, now you're gonna scrape the garlic in there. That's good. You're gonna mix all that together. Smell it?
Yeah, I smell it alright. I know.
What you want to smell?
I smell and my mouth is watering. My stomach's watering and my mouth.
Alright, so
My stomach's growling, my mouth is watering.
now we're gonna let this brown, and then you're gonna finish cutting the greens. And then once all the greens are cut and this is brown, we're gonna add the sausage.
Because people think that oven is a bad word.
Come on, it's just a gun. Put it in there, Tootie.
Lizzie is not a gun. Lizzie is a
Lizzie
gun.
is sausage. We wanna. You don't even know what you're doing. Now that we've added the sausage, we're gonna cut it in half with the spatula. Here, you can just cut it in half. Now, normally we would use smoked turkey neck or some smoked turkey wings or something like that. But we didn't have none at the store, so we got smoked soft turkey sausage, okay?
Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Alright, so now we're gonna add some vegan.
Let's both add it.
This is vegan chicken broth.
Let me see.
So you wanna shake it real good.
Ah! You shake.
Alright, now turn the top.
Go for it. Let me help. My eyes are burning, so I can't.
That's alright. Go slow, because it's at the
Go in
top.
circles. This and this sauce.
So we got smokehouse.
Smokehouse mint flakes.
You don't want to add a whole lot of that. That's too. All right, so now that the greens are done, we're gonna start on the yams. And of course I am doing the simplest way because all of my cooking stuff is still in Virginia. I have not shipped anything out here yet or brought anything out here. So I'm working with what I got, and this is what I got. So we making some frozen yams. We're gonna doctor them up, put some butter in them, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some brown sugar, and we're gonna call it a day. All right, now that the yams are in the oven, we're gonna start on the mac and cheese. And they didn't have no ready-made elbow pasta, so I'm going with the other pasta. And I'm just still gonna make them pretty much the same way I would make regular mac and cheese, but I'm doing a non-dairy version. So I'm going to use Violife for the cheese, Earth Balance for butter, and coconut milk for the milk. And then I'm going to use some seasonings, and we're gonna get this mac and cheese real good. So again, please give me some suggestions on a better, healthier way to make non-dairy mac and cheese, or just non-dairy soul food for real, because I love my soul food, but I'm trying to be more healthy, so I want to do non-dairy options but in a healthier way. So if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave it down below in the comment section.
We will have some results at some point, according to Doug. After that.
So not everything in this soul food meal that I'm making is non-dairy. We gonna have chicken, we gonna have sausage, and I'm making the cornbread with the eggs. Still using coconut milk though, but I'm sure the batter itself was processed with some sort of dairy. So it's not completely a dairy-free meal, but as less dairy as possible. The fried chicken I did not fry. I bought from Fry's, already cooked. All I did was heat it up. Everything else I did make. So tell me what y'all think. The kids loved it. I loved it. It was real good. So yeah, give me your suggestions. And if you made it to the end of this video, I greatly appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank y'all.